I circle back now to Alex Ogbonnaya, who is live to give us an update on the summit that we had mentioned earlier about the Igbo political gathering. Alex, what is the update on this summit? Who are the participants of the summit?
The key participants are the former governor of Imo State, Hakim, even though he hasn't arrived. We're still expecting him. He's one of the keynote speakers. We're also expecting, or another keynote speaker is Dr. Chekwas Okore. We have Barrister Soronade Njoku, SAN, and Professor Anthony Oha. These are some of the key persons, participants that we expect that are here, of course, apart from Hakim, who hasn't arrived. All other persons are here, and the mood here is very electrifying and lively because, hey, once the Igbo nation is on the table, the topic on the table, of course, trust them, they will definitely be in attendance, and that's what we have here today. The hall is filled to the brim, and we're expecting the former governor of Imo State, who is one of the keynote speakers, to be here to deliver his speech.
All right. What are the major issues that are being discussed so far at this summit? Are they talking about more political unity? The stakeholders, that is.
It's been discussed. You know, it's has to do with political power. They're looking at one thing: when will the Igbo man become president of Nigeria? Let me bring. I have here with us. Please come. I have here with us Apostle of Osadebe Onyemale, who is the INC chairman in Rivers State. INC is National Council in Delta State. Sorry, thank you for correcting me. Now, welcome to the program. Yes, talk to us now. What do we hope to achieve at the end of this summit that is currently going on?
Precisely, you know, according to the name of the conference, it says building a common front of political alliance here, so that the Igbo nation, you know, presently we have 13 Igbo nations in Nigeria. It's a new thing entirely. We are coordinating that. We are hoping that this will bring all the Igbos together. Not manage the state you belong to. Every week, an Igbo man, State, Delta State, River State, Igbo State, any state you come from, provided an Igbo man, we believe that Igbos will come together and forge a joint front. Okay. So that the Nigerian nation will bring their impact. Okay.
You heard from the horse's mouth. The aim is to bring all Igbo persons, wherever they are, in Benue, Kogi, anywhere they are, just to build one common front. And before we came out this morning, we overheard Dr. Chekwas Okore said one thing that this forum aims to achieve is to ensure that you know, Igbo gets its share when it comes to political office, particularly the office of the number one citizen of the country, which is the president. Back to you, blessings.
All right, Alex Ogbonnaya there, and the Igbo Political Summit basically is all about reuniting the Igbo people, just like our correspondent Alex has reported. He's still on ground to give us the details.